So I kind of wanted to give you guys a basic look of what this little setup is looking like right now. We got the Godox 60 watt with the Octabox softbox there, the Pocket 6K with an NPF battery adapter, the T5 small rig cage, of course, the Sennheiser wireless mic system going directly into the boom mic right there. And then we got the Shinobi monitor sitting on the Joby pod or Gorilla pod, and basically this is what it looks like from my view. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the fastest way how to color grade your footage. So there's this company out there that's called IWLTBAP, and I've been using this technique of color grading my footage for a long time now. Sometimes if I feel like I don't really want to go into a custom grade or color correction, if I just want something quick and I know a particular LUT that I like from this company that will match my footage the best, I will just go ahead and apply that LUT. So these LUTs are basically 25 bucks and you get over 100 LUTs for standard log GoPro profiles as well. And they basically work on, let's just say we're editing an A7 III S-Log2 video in Adobe Premiere. What you would want to do is take a picture in Adobe Premiere, get that screenshot, and basically IWLTBAP comes with another program that's basically like an add-on that you can open up and you can preview these LUTs before you want to actually apply it to your video. So basically you open up this program, input what your profile you shot with, so if it's log or standard or even GoPro. And then on the left hand side, you'll see all these different types of numbers, and basically these are different types of LUTs. The letters represent the warmth or coldness of the LUT, and as you click them, you'll see that image changing as you scroll through. So let's just say you like 8960, you go back into Adobe Premiere, find that folder with all those LUTs and hit 8960, and then your footage is going to look exactly the same as it did in the program. One of the LUTs that I really like and I've been using a lot on my footage is the Sedona LUT. And all these LUTs will come in two different types of format. It will come in a standard and a log version, so it depends on what camera you're recording with. It will still give you the similar colors, but it will give you an accuracy based on what profile you're shooting with. They actually come with LUTs, and I'm pretty sure the file is a VLT LUT that you can actually input into your GH5 or GH5S for previewing the LUT on your camera. I'll add these LUTs in the description below. Let me know what you think. For 25 bucks, you can't go wrong. There has to be one LUT in this package that will work for you. I'm going to be making another video as well on my 1-year review on the A7 III and why I personally think it is the best hybrid camera still out there right now. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you think on the LUTs, and we'll see you guys on the next video.